Hello everybody, so welcome to the video, and what we have here today is a Nutone Veranda Deluxe. This is a work in process Nutone Veranda Deluxe. Got this for $20 at the Fanimation group trip from Brian Griswold, also known as Brian Fan 17. Here is the cap. I got some blade screws for it, and I have screws for the to hold the switch cap on, but it's just not on. There are some problems because if you'd pull the chain, it would go high speed, variable knob, then off, and the variable knob is just dead. But yeah. Anyways, let's turn it on. Have it unplugged because this thing only works on high. It's only a single speed fan. Who knows if this thing was paired with a Nutone Scoville solid state? Who knows? Because look at. But yeah, all that is dead. And some of the wires are disconnected inside, so I'm going to try to figure out how to rewire the entire thing, and then hopefully I can get this thing running soon. Well, correctly in the way it should. I'm pretty sure that tassel is Nutone manufactured. I'm not sure. And here's spinning now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.